This is like a Pilates reformer workout without the reformer. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And this is a workout that has been requested so much by my members inside of my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. So you ask and I deliver. This is a wall Pilates workout. Now, I love Pilates reformer. I've been certified to teach Pilates since the 90s. And this is like a new, fresh, and fun way to incorporate some of these Pilates reformer-based exercises, but just using a wall. How cool is that? So you don't need shoes. You do need clean feet for this. And I did use a pair of light weights for this workout. So I use 2-pound weights. You can do 1, 2, or 3, whatever is best for you. Let's get into this workout now and come back because I've got more for you on the other side. Take a deep breath and exhale. Press yourself up into that nice bridge. This also feels really good on your hips. You get that good wrap around the booty and then slowly, lower it down. Good. That should feel great on your low back. And exhale and tuck under and lift, squeezing in the glutes. Good. And squeezing the abdominals and then slowly lower down. What I'm not doing is squeezing my shoulders up by my ears. Form is everything. And exhale and tuck under. I don't have to tell you that because I'm always talking about form. And then lower all the way down. Excelente. Last one here. Inhale. And exhale and press yourself up. Good. So now you're going to bring those weights up into the air. As you lower, bring the elbows by your side and exhale and press it up. That's it. And down. Exhale and press. Good. And 3. Exhale, press. Very good. And 4. And press. Smiling. And 5. Press up. Good. And 6. Press it up. Keep going here. 7. Press up. Perfect. And 8. And up. Good. 2 more. 9. Press up. Last one here. Good. Stay here. Bring straight arm down and up. That's it. Working the front of the shoulders and press. And of course, that lower body is working like crazy. And 4. And press. We've got it. Nice. And 5. Keep those collarbones open. And 6. Long, easy neck. Really make sure that you still have energy and fire in that lower body. And press. You're probably like, Tracy, I feel the fire. And up. And last one. And press up. Good. Stay here. Rotate. Bring it down and extend. So a little bicep curl as you lower and extend. Okay. And 3. I know this is like kind of, patting the head, rubbing the stomach, but you can do it. And 5. And up. Whew. And 6. Press up. Good. Keep going. 7. Keep those elbows close to your body. And 8. Press up. Good. 2 more like this. Press up. Good. Last one. And press up. Stay here. Hold. Extend those arms. Bending so your elbows are close by your head and you extend it. Okay? Bend and extend. That's it. 3. And press. We're feeling it, right? And 4. And press. Keep going here. 5. And press. Nice. And 6. And up. A few more like that. 7. Press up. Very good. And 8. Press up. 2 more. 9. Lengthen and lift. Good. Last one. And stay here and hold it. 2, 3. Good. Bring the arms down. Press up higher. 2, 3. Good. And now slowly lower down. 2, 3. And perfect. Okay, good. So you can drop the weights off to the side here. You're going to take the leg farthest away from me and just cross it into a figure 4 position. I really feel that stretch in the hip, and I bet you do too. Then if you can extend the leg closest to me up. Okay, so just really get that hamstring stretch and those lateral rotators doing their job, doing their thing here. Good. Excellent. Okay, and then we'll do the other side. So criss and cross. Oh, feel that stretch. Sorry, I don't mean to be over dramatic, but I really feel it, so it's just the truth. And good, then extend the other leg up. Really feel that stretch. Okay, let's go back to that first side in that figure 4 position. Okay, arms are down by your side. And just shift yourself maybe a little closer if you push back a little, like I think I did. So you're gonna inhale here, and now exhale, press yourself up to a bridge. So single leg bridge here, the leg is crossed, and then lower down. Again, what we're trying to do is keep the pelvis really stable, all right, so it's not dipping on any side. and exhale and press it up. Good, squeezing both cheeks, and then down and exhale. Now this is such a fun one. I love this. My Pilates teacher taught me this. You're gonna bring your hip down, just this hip that's farthest away from me, and then press it up. Makes sense? So you're going down and then up and down. That's it. And up. You're really getting into the obliques. That's what's powering that lift. And 4 and press. Good. Keep going here. 5 and up. We got it nice. And 6 and press. 7. Press up. Very good. And 8 and squeeze. Let's do 2 more here. 9 and up. Good. Last one. And press and hold here. Push up a little higher if you can. Slowly, slowly bring it down. Good. Extend. Oof, both legs up. Just do like imaginary walking here on the ceiling. You could also bend your knees, whatever your flexibility will allow. Okay, so let's do the other side. So we're gonna bring one foot down, cross that other leg over, adjust as needed. Okay, we're gonna inhale here, taking a deep breath, and exhale. Oof. Press it up and then lower. Felt very heavy. And press yourself up and bring it on down. Good. And again, this is 3, press up and then lower. One more time here. Press it up. Now hold. Feel that squeeze. Bring it down and press it up. That's it. And down and up. You got it. And 3, really feel that deep, deep oblique work. 4 and press. And 5. Now we don't want to cheat anything, because if we're cheating, we're only cheating ourselves, right? And 7 and press. Very good. 8, press up. Good. 2 more here. 9, press up. And last one, and stay here and hold. Push up a little higher. Ooh, squeeze. And slowly, slowly lower down. Okay, good. Let's extend those legs up into the air. Give yourself a little walk on the ceiling here. And again, hands on your knees and just circling here. Very, very good. Excellent. And now reverse. Good. I told you, wasn't that just so fun? And I'm telling you, my glutes are really feeling it, and I feel it just deep and low in my abdominals, which that's what we all want, right? So if you are a woman and you are over 40, this is for you. This is your exclusive invitation into my free masterclass, Fit and Fabulous Over 40. This really gives you everything that you need to look and feel your best at any age and any stage of life. So make sure to check it out. I'll leave the information up here in the eye and also in the down bar down below. Click on it, and we would love to welcome you into that free masterclass. It is so jam-packed with all of my best secrets, with over 25 years as a trainer, just for you. So I will see you over there. But if you still want to hang out with me here on YouTube, make sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.